cause they like my gangsta wall. Gangsta wall. Whatever it is, they love it and they just won't let me be.
Last time I had a 190. Now I was running high school. So I don't have to worry about it. But the spare tires annoying.
I know.
It's
sketchy part.
Oh fuck. This?
Yep.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I stopped here. Or I stopped. The 4? That's crazy. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, that was nothing.
Oh.
Oh shit, this is fucking steep.
Yep, I know. Look at that though.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
You got this?
Yeah.
Of that?
Yeah, I'm just on the left side.
Oh, because they blocked this road. Yeah! Woo!
Fuck that, I'm not coming back here.
Nope. Let's do some other off-roading.
Oh, yeah. I thought we were gonna get stuck. I was like, how the fuck am I gonna make it down?
Oh, I know. I was like, shit. Hey, it made it though.
Yeah. I gotta count my blessings after that one. That was probably the worst I've ever done.
Really?
Yeah, that was real bad.
Yeah, that was. Other trucks have done normal rock crawling, but it's like,
But
not my
yeah.
because it won't make it.
That wasn't even that far. You didn't make it too far, but you saw that, you're like, hell no.
I was like, fuck, no, I'm all alone. Fuck that. Like, I can make it up the second part, the first part, but not the second part.
Yeah. I think once I get back down, no more. I'll probably do one last wheel at night. I'm gonna take it easy.
Yeah.
I don't want to break anything or start leaking again. Cause that seal a little bit.
Really?
Yeah. I just have to re-gasket that.
Okay. Yep. Woo! Yeah, right here.
Yeah, around this tree. Oh, I see that. That was a good ass drift.
Do it again and I'll go out and I'll get outside footage of you.
Alright, yeah.
Done.
Dude, just dump it. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't want to hit this. I don't want to.
You're not gonna go back as far as you can. Point the wheel straight and just dump the clutch going back, and you'll get out. Cause you're stuck on that tree.
I am.
Yeah, give it gas. Or okay, yeah, you're good. So just put it in reverse. Give it some gas and just. There you go. Gas. Gas, gas. Let it out. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. The tree's under this side now.
You can go forward, right?
You might not make it. Go back.
I might not make it.
Actually, yeah. Go all the way this way. Okay, yeah, you're fine. There you go. What's up, bitch? How was your nap? Did I wake you up? I was getting some drift practice in.
Yeah, I heard.
Fuck, dude, I got coolant leaking again. But it's from the little tank. Oh. Alright, you're good. Light that bitch on fire.
Spark it.
Oh.
Well, goddamn.
Well, we got a fucking fire.
Our fucking hands.
Hey, how are we gonna stick those? Like, do we have?
We're gonna have to look for a stick.
What the
We
fuck?
gotta go old school.
Yeah, we're gonna
So we're just gonna find like a random.
I'm trying not to burn my goddamn Bluetooth speaker. Hey, where's that picture at?
My pocket.
Alright, let's see.
That's just cold. Hey,
Yeah,
you gotta
no.
take a cool ass one of me like that by your truck. dude.
Alright, I got you.
That's just sick.
This setting is
Right now,
already there. Right?
motherfucker.
Hey, what's up? What are we doing?
Where we at right now, Devin?
Kyburz, dude. We're about to leave hell early in the morning.
Let's get it. Sun just rising. Beautiful fucking day. Cold as a motherfucker out here.
Hell yeah.
All kinds of fucking freezing action.
Try to record from the window, cause they...
Oh shit. It's hella nice out here though. Fucking hands are fucking freezing the fuck off.
Can we get a picture?
Nah, we could just kick it here. Hey, yeah, we could get a sick ass Polaroid here, but this bitch shit doesn't have self-timer. That's a sick ass spot to take a sick ass picture.
This is sick.
All kinds of nature action. All kinds.
Dude, I'm below 160 degrees. It's fucking ice cold.
Dang, nice.
Oh, you want? We could do that. The Polaroid, me and you.
I'm down.
Hey, you got a tail light out.
Huh? I do?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
Brake light or tail light? Brake light.
This is brake light, I think. What? Oh, never mind. It's working now.
Chilling.
It works now, yeah.
Oh, shit.
It wasn't working the whole way up here.
Really?
Yeah.
I was on the brakes too.
No. Then it was your tail light. It was just your tail light, not your brake light. Your brake lights were working.
I want to ride off this with a.
Oh, goosebumps all on my skin. Dummy amounts to the goosebump. Yoda boys. Gang gang.